Hello, fellow educators. In today's short video, I'd like to share with you some changes that were made to the data trackers that we have been using. So this format should look familiar. This is the same format that we used last year for tracking our data. However, this year, we've spent the time to add in some formulas into this data tracker that do some of the calculations for you. So I'm very excited to show this with you. So I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm going to put in my student's name and the baseline score. And then when I put in the grade equivalent, what you'll notice then is that it automatically fills in the projected MOY goal. It automatically fills in the grade equivalent. It automatically fills in the projected EOI goal and the grade equivalent there as well. You'll notice that there are still some NAs here for information that's not filled in. So the way that this works, so when we put in the middle of year test score, let's say I put in an 800 for Joe, it's going to automatically tell me whether or not that goal met. If I go above, let's put in 850, you'll notice that that changes to a 1, and that tells us then that that MOY goal was met. We have the same thing here with the EOI test score. If I put that score in, it will tell us then also whether or not Joe met those goals. So rather than having to type in the MOY goals, the grade equivalents, whether or not the goal was met, the EOI goal, the grade equivalent, whether or not that goal was met, the formulas now do that for you. So all you really have to do is fill in these first few boxes, and then when we get to the MOY, you'll only need to fill in that test score. When we get to the EOI, again, you'll only need to fill in that test score. And down at the bottom of the sheet, it's going to total for us the number of students that met the goal. Hopefully this is helpful and saves you from having to put in the work of finding all of those numbers and inputting that information. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great day.